Hey everyone, this magnetic wristband just came in today from the Hampure store, and we're going to unbox it and take a close look at the features of it. This wristband is light in weight. It contains 2 pockets, has an adjustable Velcro strap, and the inside has a soft mesh with like a little padding. It's comfortable to wear. It's pretty flexible, has some strong magnets. I can see this being good for like electrical, people who do electric work, or just an overall handyman. I could see it being great for that as well. The magnets are really strong. I like it. I hope this helps, and I hope you have yourself a great day.